Tuesday afternoon, we're pretty much there for today. First day back after my holiday. A bit ugly, so we had to stop the job and they've had to pull off. So he had to abort the job. Where there, should have started from the top, work down. That one there, look. What's happening, guys? Me and Chris have been here, there and everywhere today. Well, I say soffit, it's not much of a soffit on it, but... Right, what's happening, guys? Over Ramsden, Tuesday afternoon, we're pretty much there for today. First day back after my holiday. Bit of a manic one really, just obviously sorting out. I was only away Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I come home yesterday. But yeah, a few little issues on the jobs. I had a call from our client on Sunday while I was away, margaretting. I've stuck it on the renderers and asked them to get in and get that job cracked out. So they've gone in there Saturday and Sunday, rendering the outside. The neighbours have kicked off because it's quite a nice area, a conservation area and all that sort of stuff. They was extremely rude to my plasterer. Got a little bit ugly, so we had to stop the job and they've had to pull off. So I had that to contend with. So I think what I'm going to do is go and speak to the neighbours tomorrow, just make sure they're all right and play the game a little bit. You know how it is. And obviously James was here Friday. He had to abort the job. The customer supplied the materials for the bathroom, which they got from the local plumbers merchants, and a few bits hadn't arrived or turned up wrong. So yeah, it wasn't a thermostatic valve for the shower and the bath, so what that means is you're going to get heavily scalded while you take a shower, basically. So he's had to pull off, which means can't get a tiler in tomorrow and all that. So it just shows the knock-on effect it has when you do miss your slot. So yeah, sometimes it can be potentially up to 2 weeks, but hopefully James is going to pull it out of the bag and try and move some bits about and get in here Thursday, which will be good. We can get all that buttoned up. So yeah, that's all done, and back in tomorrow, overboard that floor, get this steel from Steve, and then finish off this last wall. So that's it from us. See you tomorrow. Right, what's happening, guys? We're over Ramsden. Few dramas today, nothing major, just going through. I had to shoot over to margaretting this morning at a client meeting. I haven't met up with her for probably 4 or 5 weeks, kept in contact over WhatsApp and that. So popped over there, just had a run through, explaining the next steps, what to expect over the next couple of weeks. She's happy days. Obviously there's bits that I need to get her information on and stuff I need from her as well. So I need the paint colours in the rooms and stuff like that. So gone through all that. We're back over here at 11. James is rushing around because he's got his wedding and honeymoon end of this week, so he's got to tie up loose ends. And as you know, the other day the bathroom suite didn't arrive properly and all that sort of stuff. So now that's all done, James has put the shower tray in. Lovely jubbly. Also got the mixer taps in for the bath and the shower. So tomorrow we're going to build a stud wall at the bottom of the shower just to finish that end off so there's not that funny detail. I know what you're going to say. Are we putting a niche in there? No, we are not. We're going to keep it flat, square that off nice and plumb. That then frees up this wall. We'll ply line that, 𝐥𝐤𝐤 board it, all the ceiling's done, ready to go. And then we'll 𝐥𝐤𝐤 board this section, and that is ready for the tiling. Oh, and the flooring. So we've got the no more ply going down, 6mm cement board, which is glued and screwed. We left that board up temporary. We'll check that in the morning. We'll put a bucket of water down that waste and just check it, make sure we're still not leaking. Happy days. We also put an angle steel in to act as a lintel. They never picked up on it, this. The engineer or the architect basically said all we've got to do is double up these studs and that should safely support the load. There's like a 4x4 lintel going across here, existing. It's a 1.5 opening, so, and it had a slit in it there, so I was a bit unsure on that. So just to be safe, we've put an angle 10mm steel in there, 100mm by 60mm, something like that, so that is not going anywhere. And then the flooring, so we overboarded the floor here as well, basically just to get us over this height. The steel was raised about 10-12mm over, so what we've done is 12mm that side, 9mm this side. As you can see, that gets that lovely over there. And then it's going to be carpeted throughout, so a bit of underlay on that, and that'll be sweet. So that is us for today. Right, how are you all doing, people? Just over at Ramsden. Cracking on with his bathroom now. James is done. It's a little bit of a mess in here, but Tidy Friday's coming up, isn't it? So we're all good. Let me show you what I've been doing this morning. Right, so basically, the end of the shower tray, we've got a 1700 shower tray, so we've got a 200mm void at the back. Rather than tiling the floor and having a bit of a funny wasted detail, just knocked up this stud wall. Obviously, you don't want to go flush up against the shower tray. You need to allow for your ply and your 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 board. So that will slip down the side, like so. We'll have the waterproofing, no more leaks, 10-year system up against the 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 board, and then we'll tile down on that, and then we'll silicone it as well. So I'll also silicone round the tray before that goes down, so there's effectively 3 layers there. So that's it really. I'll ply that out. I won't need any noggins on that, and that'll be solido. It's all fixed into this wall here and here, so, and it's nice and plumb. Chris is on the other side, applying this stud wall out, getting around all these pipes and whatever. We just started putting these on, and we noticed, look, what is it, that one? It looks worse than what it is. It's about 10mm proud, so we're going to have to take this off now, take the batten off, put an 18mm strip on it, and then we're good to go. So that is that. Right guys, what's happening? Pretty much done, so just had a bit of a tidy up. We possibly going to another job tomorrow because we're pretty much uptight, and that frees us to get in their existing bedroom and start taking the external wall down and all that. So we held out to do all that sort of stuff when they was away, so it's worked out quite nicely. So we may pull off tomorrow, and then we'll be back in Monday. Mainly we're just in here today, basically prepping this bathroom. So as you know, all the 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 balls are now on. I was umming and ahhing what to do with the flooring, because it's this steel in the middle. It's basically sitting about 15mm high, so the floor runs up 15mm, but the actual chipboard was lower than the steel, so we had to raise it 8mm minimum anyway, and then we've got to raise it, feather it in 15mm. So what do I get? Do I cement board it? Do I ply it? And anyway, if they did a 9mm cement board off the shelf, then I would have probably done that, but we've gone for 9mm ply, and that gets us over the height of the steel. I'll put expanding foam around the edges, just in preparation for the tiler. He's going to self-level it, so just forward thinking really. I also glued these balls down because they're only 9mm. They're a bit up and down. I know we've screwed it, but some areas there's pipes and cables running like that one in the centre, so I've used polyurethane glue, and when that goes that'll be solido. So shower trays in. I'm not sure if I showed you this going in earlier. We've got the no more leaks. Those of you that watch us will know that this is how we do our showers and our baths. Comes in about 30-40 quid, 15-year guarantee. You get your 2 corner pieces, and what do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4 metre kit that was. So you get 4 metres of the tape there. It's a little sticky back. Peel the sticky back off the tape. What it does, it gives you a 10mm lippage on the shower. Yeah. Press it on with a roller, that's in the kit as well. And then you've got a 50-60mm upstand. Then you've got your tiles sit down over the top of that. I've got one here, I'll show you. That will sit over the top, yeah, by the time you've got a bit of adhesive on there. That is sweet as a nut, so that's all good. And obviously once that's done, then we go around with silicone. We've got the silicone guy comes in, Adrian. He'll seal all that off. The shower tray has been sealed before as it went in as well, so you've got 3 layers of protection there. I don't know, I don't care who you are or what you say. silicone will always fail around a bath or a shower in 2 years' time, so you need to protect yourself from that happening, and this is the solution. Ironically, the customer's got a shower and ensuite on the other side of this wall, and he's had dramas with that leaking. Had to put all the ceilings up downstairs and pull them down and sort that out, so he'd be pleased to see that. 40 quid, it ain't even worth worrying about, is it, really? Do you know what I mean? Just pay the 40 quid and you know it's done then, 15 years. So that's it. Polyurethane the joins, just so the latex don't creep down the sides. Other than that, you've seen all the rest. So take care, guys, and I'll catch you in the morning. What's happening, guys? How are you all doing? Hope you're doing well. Friday is upon us. The day is done. Where do I start? Me and Chris have been here, there and everywhere today. Just one of those days, call after call. I need this, I need that. Back in two from margaretting and Ramsden. Everyone's stretched. Everyone's going away on holiday. Everyone needs something done. So it's just an absolute nightmare. The lead times on everyone at the minute is a huge problem. It's not that easy. If you miss your slot, it's not like you can wait a couple of hours or a couple of days, and that has a knock-on effect on everyone. Those that are in the trade know exactly what it feels like, and yeah, one of those days was those today. So anyway, a few issues, few dramas to get sorted out. James done us a massive turn, the plumber, on his day off. He's got loads of stuff going on. He's going to get married on Sunday and he's away for a couple of weeks, and he pulled it out of the bag, proper helped me out, in order for us to, because he's away for 2 weeks, it would have put the job on hold for 2 weeks. So yeah, he kindly stepped in and took one for the team and done a massive turn. So we should be all good, ready for the tiler for Tuesday. Bit of a drama there. Me and Chris have been doing what we can over margaretting. To show you, we've got some render action. Obviously the windows are in as they were before. We were doing the soffit and the fascias. Well, I say soffit, it's not much of a soffit on it, but yeah, looking good. All down the sides there. So we've got the black on the black with the rubber on the black windows, looking smart. A few broken tiles to change here and there because people don't use insulation to lean on the roof. We've got this bad boy scratch coated up. Dan, he was meant to be in today. Hopefully he's going to be in tomorrow and get that scratched up, top coated, sorry. And then I can get the lads to jump on and finish the soffit and fascias on this one next week, and then we get the scaffold down. So yeah, look, that one's all in, all lovely. So yeah, I've just got to get a last little push up on here and then I can get the scaffold dropped. Keep all the neighbours happy. So that's it, I'm absolutely exhausted. It's been a proper busy week for me, but I got there and it's Friday, so I'm gonna have a couple of days off. It's bank holiday Monday as well, but I'm gonna work through because I'm an absolute warrior. So that is that. Take care, guys. See you on Monday.